Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn off the notification bell to join this beautiful family. So today I have another interesting DIY, do it yourself. So let's dive into it. Yeah, so guys, we are making a beautiful Durag. Okay, I'll be buying my kit, so I decided to make one too. Let's dive into the measurements. So the fabric we are using today, guys, we are using a shiny light fabric, as you can see. So it's stretching, it is stretching. So guys, let me take the measurements. The length of this is 42, but I don't want the stripes to be too long. I should take 4 in, yeah, 4 inches. And the weight, we're not going to use the whole fabric. This small fabric here, I can use it to make 2. Okay, so the width of it is going to be 8 inches, and the length of the top part, I'm going to take 80 inches. So let's start doing the measurements, guys. Let me put my chart here. So the width I'm taking, so let me make it easy for you people. We've taken 8 inches by 18 inches. Yeah, so the stripes is going to be the full length. Okay, so now I'm going to cut it for you to see this shape. So now we do this. So now I'm going to cut. Ah, okay, from the stripe 3 inches I mentioned, cut. Okay, then you turn your hand, cut it that one. So this one can do another one. I take this off, and this is it. So we're going to take 18 inches. So from the 18 inches, I'm going to make a seat of 9 inches. Okay, from here I'm going to take 9 inches, then mark it. So we're going to open that place. So we're going to open exactly that place and make sure it is aligned very well. Now I'm going to cut this. Yeah, so the last part is you can just curve take from the upper part, the angle side, we just take like 1.5 inches, just mark it at the angle, then you shape it to the front. Then we can cut it to make it look curved. So now I'm going to take it to my overlocking machine just to sew this open part. I'm not going to sew the other part. Okay, so We did not waste any fabric. You see, guys. So now I'm going to over. So guys, this is the end of the video, and I've overlocked inside, and let's put it a little bit on the money green. So this is the Durag. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. If I need to give it a good press. So this is the end of the video, guys. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Bye.